Today I'm taking a look at the Revvstark magnetic nut drivers. So it looks like we got our metric on the left, we got our standard on the right. We have an extension that has a mechanical lock on it. We have a second extension. So if we want to, we can make this fairly long. So we're looking at about 4 inches and about 6 inches. Looks like we have a third extension, so about a 2-inch. And we have a magnetic extension. We have some socket holders. We got a 1/4 inch, a 3/8, and a 1/2 inch. So that way if we want to put a socket onto an impact driver, we have the adapter for that. These are all labeled. So we got a 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 on our metric. On our standard, we have 1/4, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, and 9/16. So what makes these stand out is they got that little magnet in there. So that way if you're pulling off a nut and you want to make sure it doesn't fall out, we got that magnet in there to hold it. And then also if you're trying to get a bolt into a tight area, you can just kind of hold it to put that in place. And it's strong enough to hold on to an extension, so that is definitely not a bad magnet. They do all have magnets in them, and it is a pretty nice assortment of drivers. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice set of drivers.